Apple Macbook M4 Pro. The latest powerhouse from Apple is finally here, and I believe it's set to redefine the way we think about laptops. With Apple's M-series chips already shaking up the industry, the M4 Pro takes it up a notch. Whether you're a content creator, developer, or simply someone looking for the best in performance, this is the laptop you've been waiting for. Let's get into it. Now, the highlight of this new MacBook has to be the M4 Pro chip. Apple has consistently raised the bar with its silicon, and I believe the M4 Pro will redefine laptop performance once again. We're looking at a 10-core CPU compared to the 8-core of the M3, and with a 25% performance boost. That's not just a slight upgrade, it's a game changer. Imagine this, you're editing a 4K video, multitasking between apps, and running complex programs simultaneously without a hitch. The M4 Pro is designed to handle all of that with ease. From early benchmarks, the multi-core performance is up by over 30% compared to the M3. This means faster renders, smoother workflows, and less time waiting for things to happen. I believe that for professionals, this upgrade is not just nice to have, but essential. The future of computing is here, and it's powerful. Now let's talk about memory. Apple has finally made 16 gigabytes of unified memory the new baseline for the MacBook M4 Pro, and I think this is a huge deal. Gone are the days of 8 gigabytes as a standard, which could sometimes feel limiting if you were pushing your machine to its limits. With 16 gigabytes, you can run more applications and handle intensive tasks without worrying about performance bottlenecks. And of course, storage options are still flexible. The base model starts with 512 gigabytes of storage. But if you're someone who works with large files like videos, design projects, or code, you'll probably want to upgrade to the 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte options. I believe these higher storage options will be crucial for anyone working in creative industries. Now let's talk aesthetics, because Apple knows how to make a gorgeous device. The 14-inch MacBook M4 Pro comes in a stunning space black finish, and I believe this will become the new favorite color option. Last year, space black was reserved for higher-end models. Now it's available on the base M4 Pro. It's sleek, modern, and honestly just looks amazing on any desk setup. And as always, Apple's attention to build quality is impeccable. You've got the solid aluminum chassis, that iconic Apple logo, and a super crisp Liquid Retina XDR display that makes colors pop. Perfect for creators working with visual media. And with the ProMotion technology, everything feels buttery smooth. A big upgrade with this model is the number of Thunderbolt 4 ports. Apple has upped the game by giving us 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports on the M4 Pro, compared to just 2 in previous models. I believe this is going to be a significant feature for those of us who rely on multiple peripherals. Whether it's external displays, SSDs, or docking stations, having that extra port is super convenient. The MagSafe charging port is still here, which in my opinion is one of the best decisions Apple made in recent years. It's fast, safe, and easy to snap on when you need to charge quickly. If you're into gaming, 3D design, or any sort of graphic-heavy work, the M4 Pro's GPU performance is also worth noting. Apple's latest Metal scores indicate a 20% boost in graphics performance compared to the M3 Pro. This means smoother gaming, faster rendering, and an overall better experience for anyone who works with graphics or video. I believe this upgrade will especially benefit creators working in 3D design, animation, or game development. Apple is positioning this machine as a multimedia monster, and it shows. Of course, performance means nothing if the battery can't keep up, right? The good news is the M4 Pro chip is built with power efficiency in mind. Apple claims up to 20 hours of battery life in a single charge, which is wild for a laptop with this much power. I believe this is going to be a game changer for anyone working on the go, whether you're editing video at a coffee shop or attending long meetings without needing to hunt for an outlet. So who is the MacBook M4 Pro really for? Well, I believe this upgrade is perfect for content creators, developers, designers, and anyone who needs top-tier performance in a portable machine. If you're still rocking an M1 or M2 MacBook, this is the upgrade that's going to make a noticeable difference in your workflow. However, if you're someone who mainly uses your MacBook for email, web browsing, and light tasks, you might not feel the need to jump to the M4 Pro just yet. Apple's silicon is already so good that many people don't need to upgrade every generation. But for power users, this is the one to get. So, there you have it. The Apple MacBook M4 Pro is shaping up to be another revolutionary device from Apple. With its impressive performance, sleek design, and powerful new M4 chip, I believe this laptop is going to set a new standard for portable computing. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.